Video is going to demonstrate how to create the descriptive statistics for our returns. So let's go ahead and create a small table. So we're going to compare the percent returns to the natural returns. Now we're going to have the average, or actually let's call this the mean, standard deviation, the variance, the kurtosis, the skew, the minimum, and the maximum. And we should see very similar results for both the percent and the natural log returns. Okay, so we're going to use the average function to find the mean. We're going to use our quick function, so it's average, and then we're going to populate it with the entire column from the percent returns. And we're going to not use our last row. Let me see if I can scroll this up. So you can see that we have a divide by zero error. That's because we don't have any more data. So I'm going to change this from average C2, C1260 to average C2, C159. Okay, hit enter and we can see that it's populated for us. I'm heading over and copy over, and we'll see that it is the same range of data. So let's go ahead and do this for our standard deviation. We'll need to adjust these as well. We could also go ahead and delete that row so we wouldn't have to do this. Okay, so we've got variance. The function is the variance. You'll see the P and the S. P stands for population and S stands for sample. Since we have so much data, it almost doesn't matter which one we choose. So I think we have 1,259 data points, which is a lot of data points. It's one of the things that we're very blessed in the financial markets is to have quite a bit of data. Our kurtosis function is KURT. Again, we'll just go ahead and do the same thing. We'll see an excess kurtosis of 12, just so you know that Excel builds in an excess kurtosis of 3, so this is actually higher. Skew, and the function is just skew. We'll do minimum. So we'll find out the lowest, or the day with the biggest drawdown, and that was 11.5%, which is a big move. And conversely, for the natural log returns, it was a move of 12%. That's a big one-day move. And then conversely, our biggest upside move is roughly 9.5%. Okay, so again, the mean uses the average function. Standard deviation, the function is STDEV. Variance, VAR.P. Kurtosis, KURT. Skew, SKEW. Minimum, MIN. And finally, maximum, MAX. And we've just gone ahead and dragged the functions over so that we could also quickly calculate them for our natural returns.